I'd like to highlight some key points of Alexander the Great of Macedon. Alexander the Great was born, dated on 20 July 356 BC in Pella, the capital city of Macedon. Philip II of Macedon is said to be the father of Alexander the Great. Olympias of Epirus is said to be the mother of Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great ascended the throne at the age of 20. He was tutored by Aristotle. He was taught about medicines, ethics, religions, and other things. Over the course of time passed, Alexander the Great is a mighty warrior. He conquered Western Asia, Central Asia, the South Asia, and Egypt. But his cataclysm took place first. He was poisoned to date, and some claim here he died of malaria in a course of time here. So Alexander the Great died, dated on 10 June 323 BC or before Christ. Alexander the Great married for 3 times. Roxana is cited the first wife of Alexander the Great here. The Alexander the Great is undisputed leader in warrior of the course of all years. So thank you very much for watching my videos.